It has officially been 3 months since I have had my Kindle and have been using it almost every day. And I figured it was about time for me to come on here and give you guys a little bit of an update. So if you're new here, I recently got into reading within the Harry Potter series. I first watched the movies. Y'all convinced me to go with the books, and hence that is why I end up picking up a Kindle. I've just lost like the joy of reading in my adulthood pretty much after college. Once it became to me somewhat of a chore, I kind of like stepped back from it, and while I wanted to get back into reading more and more, it never really stuck with me. So I just wanted to give a little bit of an update. But if you want even more details about all of that, you can definitely check out that video. I will leave up a card and a link to it in the description down. Before we get any further, hi, hey, hello, I am Myra. I am your notion loving Slytherin, and we do all things cozy vibes here, whether it's productivity, getting back into your reading game. I'm your girl for that. We have a lot of productivity fun. So if you're into those kinds of things, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to go ahead and hit the like button. And while you're down there at it, please go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know, how do you prefer your books? Are you more of an e-reader? You're into the Kindle? Or do you like the touch and feel and smell of a physical book? Let me know down below. So like I said before, I am fairly new to getting back into reading. I haven't read for enjoyment in a very long time. Every year I have like this set goal of doing 50 books, 25 books, 10 books, and I just never really keep up with that. I just figured like, and I think I even made a video where I was like, you know what? It's just not for me. These are some of the things that I am leaving. And it is so funny that now with me having this Kindle, I have read the most that I have read probably in years. Now, mind you, I'm still only read 2 books, both of which have been Harry Potter. But like I said, I never really kept up with reading for fun. So this has really jumpstarted me to get back into it. And I think I'm discovering, I have a few other books I just haven't finished, but most of them are young adult, in the young adult genre, specifically like the supernatural kind of vibes. And I'm figuring out that is my jam. That's what I like to read. So if you have any suggestions, definitely leave those down below as well. But I think the biggest thing was trying to figure out what is my niche, what is my genre, what do I like to read? And for me, young adult is it. So first, let's tap in before we get into the things that really didn't stick around with me with this Kindle for 3 months. And let's get into what I truly love about this. First up, and y'all know, if y'all are subscribers of me or follow me around on the socials, y'all know I'm a sucker for a good DIY. I love to get crafty. I love to get creative. And that is what my Kindle has allowed me to do. I'm able to decorate the back of it, change it up a bit. I did do a video of decorating. So if you want to see like how I did it and all that 9 yards, definitely check out that video. I actually figured out how to customize the lock screen of my Kindle. It is currently spooky season over here. So I have this Halloween themed lock screen, and if you want the specific one, this is actually from my Etsy shop, so you can definitely check that out. The link will be down below. Tons of things. I have Harry Potter ones. I got something for you if you are looking to get your own customizable lock screen. And not only that, if you want to make it yourself, is something that I don't have fits your vibes, or you like to craft like me and create your own, I do have a tutorial as well here on YouTube Shorts, so check that out as well. But I really enjoyed the creativity of it. Like I said in the last video, I really wish y'all had let me know that one, I can use my stickers. I am a sucker for stickers on my Kindle, and that I can be a little bit more creative with my Kindle, because that sold me right then and there. That freaking sold me. And I'm having fun. I would say I probably switched this up probably twice so far. No, 3 times so far. And I just enjoy it. It's really fun to go ahead and change it up for me. I do love having the pop socket. Right now I have the Hogwarts seal, but you know, these pop sockets are interchangeable. You can take it out. So if I see one that I like or a different theme that I want to go with, I know that I can just pick up the pop socket and don't have to worry about actually taking it off, since they are interchangeable now. So that's really cool. And also, I have commitment issues when it comes to my stickers. But with this, I don't really have to commit to actually sticking them down. So all of these stickers that you see on here is being held by the case. And I just like that, because I love being able to, you know, have that in the back of my mind, like, hey, this isn't the end of the sticker. I can still use it somewhere else. So that's really cool. And that has really been letting me bring myself back to this Kindle. And you know, if you watch any of my other videos, I'm always like, create the space that you want, whether it's on your iPad, whether it's in your Notion, and also whether it's in your Kindle. I am a firm believer, if it's something that brings you joy, like this does for me, you are gonna come back to it and you're gonna actually use it. So that's where I'm at with this. And it rings true for me. Like, I just enjoy seeing the whole setup and reading on it. I just truly do. Another thing that has been amazing for me with this Kindle is how good it is on my eyes. It's something that I really didn't know that I had an issue with. Before, I was always reading paper books. I did also try to read a little bit on my iPad as well, but the Kindle, like, it is purely made for reading. It just works. It just works. I can read without my glasses. I love being able to read in bed, so I don't have to worry about like a light. There's plenty of light from the setup of my Kindle. And again, I do have the basic model. When I did read on my iPad, I did find myself having like a little bit of issues with focus, and also issue with the strain on my eyes as well. But that is something that I don't really have with the Kindle. Since the Kindle only does books, I don't have to worry about getting another notification, hopping over to a different app, trying to do something different that I can do with my iPad. I'm easily distracted in that way. So the Kindle does help me stay on task, stay with reading. And I've taken away like hitting like what page I'm on, hitting the time, so I don't like focus on that, and I can just truly be engulfed in the book. And I think that is something that has kept me consistent and kept me continuing to read, because even with a paperback book, I don't know, I like, even physically being able to see the number of pages I have left leaves me a bit distracted. I'm the type of person who double check and try to count and see how far I am. I like to fidget around with things too. So I'll fidget with the pages, and before you know it, I haven't read not one book, one page in that book. But with the Kindle, I still have the opportunity to fidget with the actual pop socket, but I don't have to have that distraction of looking forward and counting the number of pages, because I can just turn that off. The biggest thing that has come of this that I didn't even know was a world was the community, the book talk community, the bookstagram community, and learning more from them and getting recommendations from them and seeing exactly what they enjoy about Kindles and things of that nature has just been so exciting, and it's been so warming. Everyone's so nice and super eager to help, which I really enjoy, because I come from a lot of fandoms that I would say aren't so nice. You know, I love the Star Wars fandom, Drag Race fandom. If you're a fan of those, you know. I'm always weary of joining in and trying to like stick my toe into new spaces. But honestly, and again, even with like the Harry Potter like fandom, folks are just extremely nice and welcoming, and, you know, want to inspired me to actually read the books. And it's the same with the book community. I don't think there's really, at least from what I've seen, there's not too many team paperback, team Kindle, or whatever. Like a lot of people that I've came across, they read paper books, they have Kindles, they read on Kindles, and it's just really not that big of a deal. Whatever you like is what you like, and that's just been so warming and welcoming. Last but not least, let's chat about what did not stick with me when it came to the Kindle. If you're new to the Kindle, you do get 3 months free of Kindle Unlimited, and personally for me, I just don't feel like I read enough for it to be worth the value, so I did end up canceling it. I did not take advantage of it at all. Like I said, I've gotten through the first 2 Harry Potter books, and I have been going back and reading another book that I grew up with from Elle Devine. I'll put it on the screen because I can't think of the title. It is another young adult type of book, and I had to purchase it. So for me, maybe I will come back to Kindle Unlimited, but I just did not read enough for it to, justify me actually paying for it. Honestly, I did not use it at all in 3 months. So with that, I just went ahead and canceled it. And it's always there if I feel the need to purchase that and the uptick is there. But yeah, for me personally, it just wasn't needed. So if you're like me and maybe you're trying to slowly get your way into reading for fun again, maybe Kindle Unlimited isn't the best move. Because like for me personally, it was definitely a bit overwhelming to hop into Kindle Unlimited when I already had a list of books, that people were recommending to me, and I had already purchased. So there's that. All in all, I must say, if you are thinking about the Kindle, if you're like me and you consider yourself a non-reader, like not a person who reads for joy, but you have been thinking about dabbling into it, I think it's absolutely perfect. I know a lot of people have mentioned getting books on their iPad and maybe picking up books and not really keeping up with it. So maybe they thought it wasn't for them. Hence my backstory with this. But honestly, I would say definitely try out the Kindle, because this is something that really stuck with me. Eliminate those distractions that come with like an actual page, actual book, and being able to see the pages, and the distraction of everything else that is on the iPad. But if you don't have those concerns and don't have those worries, maybe those will work for you. But like I said, if that's something that comes up often with you when you use paper books or use it on like tablets or iPads or things of that nature, the Kindle may be for you. And also check out like Facebook Marketplace. I know Amazon is coming up with their Prime Day, so maybe they would have some deals on the Kindle. So definitely take advantage if you're weary and don't want to drop like $120 on something that you don't know you will keep up with. Definitely check out those places and wait till it's on sale, things of that nature, so you can get the best bang for your buck. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions, any thoughts. Let me know if you have Kindle Unlimited. Give the feedback. Let me know in the comments below. Each one teach one kind of over here. And we always have really great conversations when we talk about the Kindle in the comments. So definitely drop those thoughts and opinions down below. But like I said, I'm still enjoying it. If you're interested in the Kindle screensavers, definitely check out my Etsy. The link will be in the description. But if you want to join me on my Kindle and Reading for Joy journey, I definitely have some videos here that you could love to check out. And as always, I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.